You want tons of clients automatically and 24/7? I will show you how to use the ClientsOO app, and let's get started.
Perfect. We'll start by registering the targeted industry and targeted cities. You can choose companies around you if your business wants to target local, or other cities if you want to conquer the world. You got it all. And now the scan begins. It's incredible, isn't it? Leads are sucked in live, all the names and emails of your future clients. Since you're in free mode, the email limit is around 10. With that, you can test everything for free. And then, if you want tens of thousands of clients, just subscribe.
What? The scan is already finished?
Okay, now you just need to prepare your email. A title, the content. You can even use dynamic information. There you go, just one more step. Choose if you want to send with your own email, an alias, or a ClientsOO email. You are free. Amazing! You did it, Ireland! Your campaign has officially started. On the free plan, 10 emails will be sent. Now just check your captured email list and follow the live stats. Track opens, clicks, and more. And enjoy all your future clients. And welcome!